Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade futures on Plus500. Trading futures can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn significant profits. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, you need to understand what futures are. A futures contract is an agreement to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price on a specific date in the future. On Plus500, you can trade futures on a variety of assets, including indices, commodities, and currencies. To get started, you need to open a trading account on Plus500. This is a straightforward process that requires you to provide some basic information and verify your identity. Once your account is approved, you can deposit funds and start trading. Next, you need to navigate to the futures section on the Plus500 platform. This is where you can browse through the available futures contracts and select the one you want to trade. You can filter the contracts by asset type, expiration date, and other criteria to find the one that suits your trading strategy. When you select a futures contract, you will see a detailed quote page with information on the current price, bid and ask prices, and other relevant data. You can use this information to make informed trading decisions. To place a trade, you need to click on the buy or sell button. Depending on your market prediction, you will then be prompted to enter the trade size and other parameters, such as stop loss and take profit levels. It is essential to set these levels to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. One of the key concepts in futures trading is leverage. On Plus500, you can trade futures with leverage, which means you can control a large position with a relatively small amount of capital. However, leverage can also amplify your losses, so it is crucial to use it wisely. Another important aspect of futures trading is risk management. You need to have a solid understanding of the markets and the assets you are trading to manage your risk effectively. This includes setting realistic goals, monitoring your trades, and adjusting your strategy as needed. In conclusion, trading futures on Plus500 can be a rewarding experience if you have the right knowledge and skills. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with futures trading and potentially earn significant profits. Remember to always trade with caution, use leverage wisely, and manage your risk effectively to achieve long-term success in the markets.